Happy holidays, silent night. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang and not miss any new videos. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. I had every intention of making all these holiday videos and things, and I never got around to doing that. So this is my one holiday video, or Christmas, let's be real, it's Christmas video for 2019. I picked up these super cute nails, Dashing Diva Magic Press. I am an avid user of the Kiss press-on nail brands. I use all the Kiss nails, and also there's another brand which I can't think of right now. I am a press-on nail fiend. This is gonna be a first impression, and then I will do a follow-up to let you guys know how many days the nail stayed on and all that. Start off just kind of buffing the top of my nail so it gives the adhesive something to kind of grip onto. And then I also push my cuticles back. So here is the case of nails. Definitely has its own buffer and cuticle pusher, but clearly I have my own, so I'm not going to use that. But I really like the case here of this nails because you can definitely reuse this case for something else. Whereas with the Kiss brand, the box, you know, you just toss it after you use it. You definitely want to make sure your nails are clean. My nails were clean, so I'm not even going to use this kit, but if you don't have anything to help you clean your nails, definitely use this prep pad kit. And what I'm going to do now is just match up all the nails. Definitely keeps the longevity of the nails. So I like to use this Kiss maximum speed nail glue with the kind of teal, or yeah, tealish color on the label here. You guys can see it, but it has a number right here. Then it has the kind of clear backing, and you're going to pull the backing off and press that on your nail. So I'm going to go ahead and match all the nails. Alright, so these are the nails I selected. This will be my left hand, and this will be my right hand. I did try to keep a similar pattern, but on this side, my pinky finger, I couldn't find one to match sizes, so I just kind of picked this one, the snowflake looking nail. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of nails of how I apply them, and you get the gist idea. I'll keep this video super quick. So I take the gel, and I'll take the nail, and you want to make sure that the plastic flap here is at the bottom. You're going to peel that plastic piece off. I actually add the extra glue here at the bottom, and I take it and kind of go like that and rub the glue in all the way up to where the adhesive stops. And I typically like an oval nail, but they didn't have any oval in like a Christmas color that I wanted. So I got the square nail, and you just take it and literally press it on your nail. I hold it for about 30 seconds. And just keep pressing, kind of roll my hand around like this. And then I'll go on to the next nail. So I'll do it again on the thumbnail. Again, I'll make sure that plastic piece at the bottom, peel off the plastic, add my adhesive, my additional adhesive, because it already has adhesive. So if you don't want your nails to stay on that long, you don't need the additional adhesive, but I do like to have my nails on for at least a week and a half or 2 weeks. So you go ahead and press that down on the nail bed, and they don't damage my nails because I let them pop off on their own. So I don't really rip them off or anything like that, but you can also soak them off too. So those are my 2 nails right there. I make sure to press them down as hard as I can all over the nail and do kind of a rolling motion. Like I said, do it for about 30 seconds for each nail, and then make sure to maybe wait 10 to 15 minutes before you do any hand washing or putting your hands in oil or water, and you should be good to go. So this is what they look like, and I'll go ahead and do the rest of them, and I'll show you the final product. Alright guys, here are the finished product. I'll show you guys up close. Super cute. It took all of maybe 5 to 10 minutes, if that. I do want to share with you guys, make sure you don't put too much glue on your nail, or else you'll kind of get some of your fingerprint on your nail, which I'll just fix that and put some clear coating on top of it. But I just want to let you guys know to be careful. Don't put too much glue. Just put like 1 drop and spread it all over so that you don't have a kind of funky nail. But if you do get a funky nail, you can just put clear coating over it and it takes that kind of away. These were $8.99, and I believe the kiss nails are anywhere between $6.99, and my favorite ones that you can polish yourself are like $3 to $4.99. So the Kiss brand is a little bit cheaper, but I did like the designs that they had in Sally's for the Dashing Diva nails over the Kiss ones. But I'll keep you guys posted, and I will do a blog post, and B, I will make another video to follow up to let you know how long these lasted through the holiday season. I will catch up with you guys later to let you know my final thoughts in another video. But until then, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I hope you guys are enjoying this season. You know, I know sometimes there are people that have loved ones that are no longer with them, but just know that they will always and forever reign in your heart, and to love them and celebrate them. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.